Welcome to Beneath the Build. And today we're back talking with Alan Bowers, the Director of Engineering and Chief Engineer at Geopier. In our last episode, we started talking with Alan about what the construction industry can learn from some catastrophic engineering failures. Today, Alan will talk us through the Deepwater Horizon spill and what led to its engineering failures and how we can operate differently from the lessons learned. Alan, can you talk to us about that incident and what it reveals about why systems thinking matters so much in construction?
Sure, I'd be happy to, Andrew. The Deepwater Horizon oil spill was an environmental disaster that occurred in 2010. It released millions of gallons of oil into the Gulf of Mexico's environment, destroying the economy, coastal communities, and the initial collapse of the rig led to 11 fatalities. As you mentioned in your question, it didn't happen because of just one mistake, but rather it was a systems type failure. And what I mean by that is that when you look at what led to the failures here, you see that it was a bunch of small little things, but they all added up. And each one pushed the systems closer and closer to the edge until really the whole thing collapsed. And that's a big lesson for us in ground improvement because our work doesn't stand alone or act in isolation. It's part of a system that includes the ground improvement that we do, but also the footings and foundations, as well as the entire structure itself. And so if we as engineers don't think of how these components interact, you risk a major problem in that one part of the system can affect another part of the system and it could cascade into a system type failure. So at Geopier, we make it a point to try to apply this systems thinking to all of our projects. And some of the ways that plays out are that we like to ask questions up front to really understand the different system components. And then we look at how these components affect each other and design not just for our little ground improvement box, but the system itself. That's one of the ways that we try to keep projects safe, reliable, and on schedule.
Well, thanks, Alan. That's great thinking, and we appreciate your insight in joining us. For those who would like to learn more, please visit the link on the screen.